Custom-built Barden home located on a dead-end street. Architecturally attractive with an open floor plan. Professionally landscaped and meticulously cared for home. The private setting on a very quiet street is perfect for those looking for peace and quiet of a country setting in the city. The exterior features a two-tiered deck with a new awning and an above-ground 28-round pool surrounded by a full deck. This beautiful home sits on 6 lots, some of which are wooded. The family room has a wall of windows, cathedral ceilings with skylights and a 3-sided gas fireplace that separates the living room from kitchen. The open concept kitchen feature a large island with custom wainscoting desk/computer area and a large pantry. A sprawling primary suite on the main level has a large walk-in closet and private ensuite with dual vanities. First floor laundry on the main level with custom-built cabinets and stainless steel sink. Second level includes 3 LG bedrooms and closets, full bath, additional den/office space. The poured dry basement has high ceilings and